Listen, you're a student, okay? Get ready to learn, idiot. Today we're gonna talk about debt management. Uh-oh, yo, boom. Okay, all right, okay. Annual, yes. Debt management. See, those are big words. Here are 5 strategies. You can see the letters just falling right into it, you know? And once they're all in there, you'll be able to see what it says, okay? Thanks to the yellow, red, modern, retro aesthetic file, title, typographic, YouTube intro. That's really what we're here to talk about today. And it's quite sad. After the debt with the highest interest rate is paid, it's hard to see through that dinosaur's head. And you're right back to drinking. 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's when Smitty's gets busy. That's omelet hour. You guys feel that learn burn? Debt avalanche! An avalanche. Debt snowball! It may not seem like much, but cutting even a few things from your budget could add up and help you get out of debt quickly. What are some things you can think of right now that you can cut out that would just help you immediately?
Probably paying you.
Okay. No, we're not, that's not on here. That's not even listed. That's not even, if you're going off the board, then what are we doing here? Whoa, look at that. Live, eat, puke. K4financial.ca.
I thought it was amazing.
You thought it was amazing.